Hi everyone, it's Kelly.
And Molly.
And we decided that we were going to take off and do a girls' day. I didn't really want to do a lot of Black Friday shopping. It's Friday afternoon, and so we kind of just took off and randomly went to different places where we picked up some Christmas gifts for family members and such. So the last place that we ended up before we go home, I just got my ticket, my parking ticket, and here it is. Hershey Chocolate World. So we decided we were just going to come here and spend a little bit of time. I don't know if you can see the sign. We're going to get ready to go in. We live pretty close to here. We frequent this very often. We're not doing Candy Lane or any other rides today. We're just going to do the chocolate tour and then get our free candy. Parking is free if you're here less than 3 hours. Parking is free. The candy tour is free, and you get a free chocolate bar when you leave, or some kind of candy or whatnot. And they have Santa here. You can come see Santa. You can have your picture taken. Hey guys, we'll see you later. I hope you like to see this collage. Bye.
To provide one of the most important ingredients required to make Hershey's milk.
Well, that's true. Here at Hershey, it really is all about the milk. In fact, it's the milk that gives Hershey's chocolate its unique taste. And who better to tell you all about it than our official welcoming day? With the beans blended, they're then sent ahead to be roasted in large revolving roasters like this one. The roasted cocoa beans are then accepted. After all that shaking, breaking, baking, and flaking, we're finally coming up with Hershey's milk chocolate. But there's still a ways to go before it's finished. On your left is a series of roll refining machines. The refining process, after all that effort, we're finally ready to make our Hershey's chocolate bar. And with our milk chocolate made to perfection, we then add peanuts, almonds, and other extras to create a world of wonderful chocolate treats. Here you see the completely automated wrapping machine, putting the finishing touch on Hershey's world-famous chocolate and candy products. And our tour wouldn't be complete without seeing our famous Hershey's Kisses. Hershey's Kisses are made by dropping a precise amount of chocolate on a moving steel belt and quickly cooling to form the famous Hershey's Kiss Shake. We can make over 60 million Kiss Shake products every day. As you've just seen, Hershey...
Hi guys, Molly and I are just getting off the ride right now, and we're coming off of the chocolate ride, and we're heading into, this is the gift shop area where we're going to do some souvenir shopping. Cute. Chocolate bars, yeah. Hershey's. Reese's, a whole wall. A whole wall of Reese's. Over here I'm going to have a haul for you guys when I get home. Lots of yummy goodies, and Molly and I are going to get ready to head home. There goes the Hershey trolley. They do a tour on Chocolate Avenue.